Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a work order in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to the app launcher in your Salesforce and then just search for work orders. So here in these items, we will find the work orders. And from here, you can find all your work orders and basically and simply, you can just click on new to create a new one. So basically, those are the general information, and from here you can find some description. So this is the status of your order. You can, of course, it should be new since you are just going to create it, but you can change the status whenever you want and however you want. So this is the owner is the creator of this order, which is my profile. Then you can have some priority set for this work order, and of course, you can choose a contact to issue this order to. And this is the parent work order if it would include or derive from another work order. And basically, you choose your accounts that you have in your Salesforce, and of course the assets that you want to create or to associate with this work order. And here you can also choose cases or create a new case for the work order, and at the end you can give it a description so it can have more clarification. Then all you need to do is to click on save, and from here you can start seeing anything concerning or all the information concerning your work order. So you can start having a feed where you can share updates and informations, and those are the general informations that we have add. And here you can find you can delete it, edit it, you can give it a new note, etc. So those are another items that you can attach or add to your work orders, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.